Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing essentials. Make sure your Samsung uses the carrier number you want, has data, and you have a Google account. Next, install Google Voice from the Play Store and sign in. Once done, choose or port a Google Voice number that will collect voicemails. This replaces the old dial-in system. Make sure to enable notifications and allow microphone and call permissions so messages and transcriptions will work like iPhone visual voicemail. Now continue by forwarding unanswered calls to your Google Voice number. On most GSM carriers, you dial the conditional forwarding code. For example, **61**, then your Google Voice number, then hash, or set call forwarding in carrier settings. Once you've applied it, make a test call and let it ring through to verify voicemail lands in Google Voice. If transcription appears and notifications arrive, your Samsung will now present messages visually and play back messages like an iPhone's visual voicemail. Finish by confirming Google Voice shows transcriptions and plays messages. Open the app and play a test message to confirm audio quality. Make sure Do Not Disturb and notification settings allow the app to alert you and enable background data. If messages don't appear, recheck the forwarding code and reapply it, then reboot your phone. If problems persist, call your carrier to confirm conditional forwarding is permitted. That one troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.